Is your small backyard feeling cramped, cluttered, or cheap despite your best efforts? When working with limited square footage, simple layout errors can instantly overwhelm a space, making even an expensive patio look unorganized and messy. Today, we are breaking down 10 common small garden mistakes that make your yard look cheap and how to fix them. Hi everyone. We are a group of landscape designers and garden enthusiasts, and we're here to help you transform and bring your dream outdoor spaces to life. If you want to master small space design on a budget, please hit that subscribe button right now and click the bell notification so you never miss our weekly guides. Number 1. Overcrowding with bulky freestanding furniture. The fastest way to ruin a small garden is buying standard, oversized outdoor dining sets. They block walkways, cut off foot traffic, and make the entire yard feel like a storage unit. In small space design, built-in seating is king. An L-shaped corner bench tucked against your boundary line frees up the middle of your patio, making the space feel open and luxurious. Number 2. Laying tiny, busy paving patterns. When you use small bricks or tiny tiles in a compact yard, the hundreds of visible grout lines create heavy visual noise that visually shrinks the ground plane. To make a small yard feel larger, use large format concrete or natural stone pavers. The clean, sweeping lines trick the human brain into seeing a much wider footprint. Number 3. Solid, dark boundary fences. Installing tall, solid, dark fences around a micro backyard creates a boxy, cage-like atmosphere that emphasizes how small the space is. Modern designers switch to horizontal slat screens made of light cedar or timber. Horizontal lines visually stretch the garden horizontally, while subtle gaps between the slats let light filter through, softening the boundary. Number 4. Scattering mismatched container pots. Buying random plant pots over time and placing them in every available corner creates messy visual clutter. Instead, adopt the rule of 3. Choose 3 planters made from the exact same material and color, such as matte black, charcoal, or concrete gray, in varying heights. Grouping them tightly turns chaos into an intentional architectural feature. Number 5. Leaving utility elements exposed. Nothing destroys a cozy luxury patio faster than staring at plastic garbage cans, tangled hoses, or air conditioning units while sitting outside. Build or buy simple modular wooden slat screens to hide utilities. Shielding functional items keeps the focus entirely on your lush greenery and seating zones. Number 6. Using cold white glaring lights. Blasting a small space with harsh 6,000 Kelvin white spotlights flattens your garden's depth and creates unpleasant shadows. High-end small gardens rely on layered, warm ambient lighting. Install low-voltage warm LED lights, specifically 2,700 Kelvin, hidden beneath seating edges or directed upward into plant foliage. This adds depth and makes the garden feel cozy at night. Number 7. Planting a chaotic plant collection. When space is tight, planting one of every species from the local nursery creates a messy, unstructured look. To make a small yard look like a professional designer built it, restrict your plant palette to just 3 or 4 complementary species. Repeat those same plants across your borders to create rhythmic flow, unity, and elegance. Number 8. Ignoring vertical wall space. When floor space is limited, your walls become your most valuable canvas. Leaving boundary walls bare misses out on massive opportunities for greenery. Install vertical live-in plant wall panels, wall-mounted planters, or trellis wire for climb-in vines. Drawing the eye upward doubles your green footprint without taking away a single inch of patio floor. Number 9. Flimsy or wobbly bed edging. Using cheap, flexible plastic borders or uneven wooden logs creates wavy, unkempt lines that instantly make a yard look cheap. In small gardens, structural geometry matters. Use rigid steel borders or laid stone pavers to establish clean, razor-sharp lines between your seating areas, plant beds, and gravel pathways. Number 10. Lack of a single focal point. If a small garden doesn't have a clear centerpiece, the viewer's eye wanders chaotically, making the space feel cluttered and disorganized. Every small space needs one strong anchor. It can be a sculptural specimen tree, a pondless water feature, or a bold painted accent wall. One strong focal point instantly organizes the surrounding space and establishes luxury design harmony. If you found these small garden tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment letting us know which mistake you're fixing first, and make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you never miss our upcoming design guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.